हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आलमगीर रहमान आपको स्वागत करता हूं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है यार डिजिटल सेवा में। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे VLE इंश्योरेंस और रैप एग्जाम के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटा रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं, मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक शेयर जरूर करें दोस्तों। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 यही पर बता देता हूँ, अगर आप मेरे वीडियो का पार्ट 1 नहीं देखे हैं तो आई बटन में लिंक मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हैं। ये पार्ट 2 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, ए लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी कैन ओनली बी मेड पेड अप इफ व्हाट पॉलिसी फ्यूचर एग्जिस्ट्स, ए इंडेक्सिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन, बी नॉमिनेशन फैसिलिटी, सी राइडर बेनिफिट्स, डी सेविंग्स एलिमेंट। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी सेविंग्स एलिमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, the main reason why a life insurance proposal firm often asks for the proposer's height to enable reasonable comparison with the proposers. A. Age, B. Gender, C. Occupation, D. Weight। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी, weight। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, where annually increasing flexible premiums offered under a life insurance policy, what rate of increase will generally apply? A 2.5%, B 3.0%, C 5.0%, D 7.5%। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है C 5.0%। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, the amount paid out by the insured under a 30 years life insurance policy exceeded the sum insured plus revisionary bonus. The excess is likely to result from A. Research refunded, B. A frequency loading, C. A tax rebate, D. A terminal bonus। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी, टर्मिनल बोनस। Question number 25, what normally happens to the sum assured under a life insurance policy once the period of the line expires? A. It reduces, B. It increases, C. It is suspended, D. It is replaced by the newly underwritten sum insured। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है बी, इन increases। Question number 26, the general need for a pension policy result from the existence of what key problem? A. Anticipated fall in income, B. lack of employment opportunities, C. likely deteriorations in health, D. uncertainty over investment performance। Question number 27, the changes in healthcare cost over recent year has had the general impact on healthcare insurance. A. A fall in average premium level, A. reduction in underwriting requirements, C. A rise in the need for cover, D. A strengthening of the इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट रूल। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी, ए रिस्क इन द नीड ऑफ कवर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, एन एजेंट हैज द रिकमेंडेड एन इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट विद द नॉन गारंटेड बेनिफिट, द बेनिफिट illustration passed to his client will therefore use the assumed the annual growth rate of 5% and 8%, B 5% and 10%, C 6% and 8%, D 6% and 10%। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी, 6% and 10%। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, the main purpose of including commission details in the documentation to client is to increases A. competitiveness, B. efficiency, C flexibility, डी ट्रांसपेरेंसी। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी ट्रांसपेरेंसी।
Question number 30. A client has been recommended a low-risk investment product by his insurance agent, but the client insists in agent arranges for the money to be invest a higher risk product. What action should the agent take? A. Carry out these instructions but document that his contradicts the recommendation. B. Conduct a new fact find. C. Invest a reduced amount of money in his product. D. Refuse to act for the client. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ए कैरी आउट दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन बट डॉक्यूमेंट व्हाट दिस contradicts the recommendation. Question number 31. An insurance agent has advised a client to surrender an existing investment product and start a new investment product. What key indicator should be used to determine whether this device was the authentical? The A. The best interest of the client. B. The difference in potential income and capital growth between the two products. The flexibility of the new product compared to the old one. The views expressed by the client. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ए द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द क्लाइंट.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. What key impact will low persistency level have on insurance policyholders? An enhancement in product choice. B. An improvement in investment performance. C. An increase in insurance cover. D. A reduction in benefits. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी ए रिडक्शन इन बेनिफिट्स. Question number 33. Raju died 5 years before the end of his 30-year endowment insurance policy. What factor most likely caused the insurer to investigate the claim using the early death claim procedures? A. He paid the most recent premium during the period of grace. B. His cover was originally accepted with a premium loading on medical grounds. C. His death resulted from a recently acquired sudden illness. The policy had lapsed and was revived shortly before he died. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी. Question number 34. A policy document for a money back policy includes an statement, the proposal and declaration signed by the proposer for the basis of the contract, in which main section of the policy document will his normally appear. A. Attention. B. Operative clause. C. preamble. D. Terms and conditions. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी preamble. Question number 35. A life insurer issued a quotation on 10 February granted for 14 days.
which was accepted by the customer on day 10. Consequently, the insurer can only decline this risk if a customer submit a second quotation request. B. Insurer increases its underlying premium rates. C. Marketplace experience a significant the marketplace experience a significant downturn. D. Material facts sense. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी material facts sense. Question number 36. The main protection need of a 90 years old is most likely to be A. Self-protection. B. Home loan protection. C. Protection of dependents. D. Protection of children's future. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है A. Self-protection. Question number 37. Ronak recently arranged a life insurance policy under which he classed as the master policyholder. This addresses his role as A. Creditor, B. Debtor, C. An employee, D. An employer. इसका जो राइट आंसर है an employer. Question number 38. The need for investment advice from an insurance agent normally result from what overriding key factor? A. Absence of any long-term goals. B. Inability to prioritize future financial needs. C. Lack of market knowledge. D. Shortage of available funds. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है C. Lack of market knowledge. Question number 39. When undertaking financial planning for individuals without capital, what savings need is likely to be addressed in every single case? A. Emergency fund. C. Funds of children savings. C. Fund of educational costs. D. House purchase funds. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है A. Emergency fund. Question number 40. Naveen is addressing his income needs by investing directly in corporate bonds. In what form will we receive this income? A. Annuity installments. B. Defined payments. C. Interest payment. D. Rental payments. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है C. Interest payments. Question number 41. An investor holds a wide range of the shares. If the Reserve Bank of India announces a series of the significant interest rate increases, the price of this share are most likely to A. Become volatile. B. Decrease. C. Increase. D. Stagnant. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है D. Decrease. Question number 42. Yes pays health insurance premiums for himself, his wife and his children age 30 and 8. Premiums for which for this individual will the qualify as deductible for the IRS taxable income? Yes only. Yes and his wife only. Yes his wife and his oldest child. D. Yes his wife and both his children. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है D. Yes his wife and both his children. Question number 43. The sole focus during a client's fact-find session was the healthcare requirements and estate planning, which the main life strength in his most likely to fall into. A. Young married. B. Young married with children. C. Pre-retirement. D. Retirement. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है D. Retirement. Question number 44. Part from the salary level. What are other key features of the Alok's job is likely to have a major impact on the level of his pension, life insurance and health insurance needs? A. Whether the job is the office of field base. B. The normal retirement age is relation to the job. C. Whether the job is the public or private sector. D. whether the job is the manual or non-manual. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है सी, whether is the job in the public or private sector. Question number 45. In the context of the financial planning, how is the difference between the real needs and the perceived needs best described? A. Real need are financial need are the perceived needs are non-financial needs. B. Real needs are the actual needs and the perceived needs are based on a client through and desires. Real needs are identified by the insurance agent and the perceived needs are identified by the client. Real needs are needs which satisfy an objective and perceived needs are the needs which do not satisfy an object. इसका जो right answer है वो है B. Perceived needs are the based on the client's thoughts and desires. Question number 46. To fulfill the know your customer procedures at what stage in the financial planning process in the insurance agent most likely to request copy of the customer photograph? A. At the end of the fact find meeting. B. At the end of the presentation meeting. C. As soon as the application accepted by the insurer. D. As soon as the insurer is ready to issue the policy document. इसका जो right answer है वो है B. At the end of the presentation meeting. Question number 47. A claim under a term insurance policy is submitted by an individual who has substantially understated highest as an alternative to paying out the full claim. The insurer is the most likely to make what action? A. Deduct the underpaid premium from the sum insured. Make his policy paid up. C. Pay out the surrender value. D. Reject the claim on the ground of misrepresentation. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है डी. Reject the claim on the ground of misrepresentation. Question number 48. On the maturity of endowment policy, a reduced sum insured is the paid out. What is the most likely reason for this? A. Installments were the commuted by the policyholder. B. The policyholder's health seriously deteriorated during the policy term. C. The policy was made paid up during the policy term. D. The policy was subject to a line. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है C. The policy was made paid up during the policy term. Question number 49. What K event is the most likely to prevent insurers from the insuring what is the insured person being is a fair premium to the pool of the risks presented? A. Fraudulent claim. B. A. Policy assignment. C. A step risk in inflation. D. A sudden illness. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है A fraudulent claim. Question number 50. Legislation give which the body the power to specify a code of conduct for the surveyors and loss assessors. A. Institute of Insurance and Risk Management. B. Insurance Regulator and Development Authority. C. Life Insurance Council. D. Securities and Exchange Board of India. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है बी. इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी एंड डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी. तो दोस्तों आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू.